Hello learner, welcome back to my channel Learn with Christian. Hope you are preparing for your exam. Again I am here with one more new video where we will learn how to create a data frame using list of list or nested list. So without wasting time, let us start the video. Creating data frame using list of list is very easy. We have to import pandas library as usual and create nested list. Then from that nested list, using the data frame function, we have to create a data frame. Now the nested list means you can see on the screen the list which is enclosed in one more list and having multiple number of list is called as a nested list. See in this diagram here, in this diagram one list will come in one square bracket. When a list will come inside a list, this is called as a list of list. So hope you have understood what is the meaning of list or nested list. Now let's jump to the Jupyter notebook for practical based learning. Right, we are here on the Jupyter notebook and let us import pandas as PD and let us create a list of list. Now you can see I am having a list. I have given the variable name for my list as a nested list and there are three number of values are there. All the values are string type of value. Even this also as a string type of value, because one value is string, the rest value will also become a string value. Alright, now let us create the data frame. Now you can see I am going to apply the same function pd.dataframe. This is the name of the nested list or list variable. Now let us display the result by printing the data frame. So before printing the data frame, that we have to understand something. Same thing, import which is required pandas. Then you can see this is an example of a nested list. List number 1, list number 2, list number 3, and everything is enclosed in a square bracket, main list. Now this is your function to create a data frame, and this is the list variable. Now finally we are printing our data frame by referring the data frame variable. So let's print it and verify it whether our data frame is created or not. Run the program by pressing Shift plus Enter, or you can click on the run button. Now you can see the data frame created, and now we are having 3 number of rows and 3 number of columns. Columns top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom, and a row right to left, left to right. These are the rows. These all are the rows. 3 number of rows are there. The same time 3 number of columns with the default index for row and default index for column. As we learned last time, if you want to change the column name and this index row name, you have to write the keyword index is equal to, you have to pass the argument anything you can pass it. For example, let us write it so let's give index value 1 and value 2 and value 3. Now the same thing, if you run, you can see here the index for row is appear. These are the index which is appear for your row. Same time, if you want to put an index for your column, then you have to write it here one more keyword which is called as a column. So let me break this. columns columns is equal to, we are having 3 number of columns. Anything you can give, for example col1 comma col2 comma col3. So we have to put the comma. Now we have to run, and you can see we have created a data frame using list of list. We given the column title, we have also given the row title, right? So hope you have understood. If something is coming inside the square bracket called as a list, but inside the square bracket if one more square bracket is there which is called as a nested list or list of list. So this is the very simple way to create a data frame using list of list. Hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, please ask me in a comment. Thank you for watching. Thank you everybody.